Hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We are here for a better future. So guys, this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having your economics session at 7 p.m. So after this session, you will be having your economics session at 7 p.m. And let's start this session with some positive vibes. But before that, let me tell you, we have started our mathematics quizzical. Mathematics quiz for class 11th and 12th both. So this is your schedule for mathematics quiz. You will be having your mathematics quiz on 8th, 10th and 12th at 11 p.m. with Aditya sir. So stay tuned for the Menti quiz and block your calendars for mathematical quiz. Now, you never know how strong you are. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. So, if you are new to our channel, then go and subscribe to our channel right now so that you can watch more such classes. And this is class 12th session. So guys, go and like this video to motivate us and also do share this with your friends. And you can also join our official Telegram group, Vedantu Commerce, if you want to receive the notes in the PDF form. So go and quickly join the Vedantu Commerce official Telegram group and the link is in the description box. Now, the very important thing, Pro Subscription. So, if you are the one who want to score good marks in the boards exam, अगर आप उन बच्चों में से हैं जिन्हें अच्छे नंबर लाने होते हैं boards में, then you can take this Pro Subscription. This is completely optional. We are not forcing anyone. So, in this Pro Subscription, we are providing all of these benefits, which includes, we will provide you different courses in this Pro Subscription. That is, you may join crash course, you may join long-term course, you may join short-term course or micro course. There are 4 types of courses that are provided to you in this Pro Subscription. And if you will go to any other place, they will only provide you one course at this at this cost. अगर आप कहीं और जाओगे तो बस इतने cost में आपको सिर्फ एक course देंगे. And we are giving you 4 courses in this Pro Subscription. Then, we are providing you more than 20 teachers with more than 5 years of experience. आपको हम 20 से ज़्यादा टीचर्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे जिनके पास 5 साल से ज़्यादा का एक्सपीरियंस होगा. So आपको हाईली एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी इन दिस प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन. Then all the teachers will work on your areas of improvement, on your weakness. सारी की सारी टीचर्स आपकी कमियों पर ध्यान देंगी, आपको एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयार करेंगे. They will prepare you for your exams. Then we are providing you more than 5,000 hours of live online classes. You can unlimited watch the live classes on our Vedantu platform. आप unlimited live classes attend कर सकते हो हमारे platform पे of all these subjects. Economics, business study, maths and accounts, all these subjects are included in this Pro Subscription. Along with the classes, we will also conduct regular tests for you. We will also provide you time to time assignments so that you can prepare well. तो हम आपको assignments भी देंगे, time to time test भी conduct करेंगे. And last but not the least, we are also providing you option in languages. You may watch the session in any language. You want to see the lectures in English, go and watch them in English. You want to see the lectures in Hindi, go and watch in Hindi. तो आप अपने हिसाब से अपनी लैंग्वेज चूज कर सकते हो कि आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज में लेक्चर देखना चाहते हो, अटेंड करना चाहते हो. आप चाहते हो इंग्लिश में देखना है, इंग्लिश में देखो, हिंदी में देखना है, हिंदी में देखो. So all of these benefits are provided to you in this Pro subscription. The actual price of Pro subscription for 1 month is 3499. But right now we are giving flat 20% discount to you guys, and after discount you will only have to pay 2799. तो आपको डिस्काउंट के बाद कितना पे करना पड़ेगा? Only 2799, which is half of your school fees. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab your Pro subscription right now at only 2799. And for discount, you can use my code SCPRO. So go and use this code to avail 20% discount on Pro subscription. Now, as you all know, we are doing the chapter Issue of Debentures, and this is 4th session of this chapter. This is 4th session of this chapter. Hi Anshul, a very good evening. Hi Abhyankar, hi Shalu, a very good evening to everyone. So today we are going to discuss the one of the most important topic, that is oversubscription of debentures. तो आज अपन लोग क्या करेंगे? Oversubscription of debentures. So let's start this session. Let's start the session oversubscription of debentures. Now, while starting this session, I hope that all of you have completed the chapter Issue of Shares. We have completed the chapter Issue of Shares. If you have not watched the classes of that chapter, please do watch them. Because if you have done that chapter, this chapter will be very easy for you. Because this is similar to Issue of Shares. This is totally similar to that chapter. And if you have not covered the Issue of Shares chapter, then this chapter is going to be a little difficult for you. Hi Janvi, a very good evening. So, first of all, let's discuss the yesterday's homework. I have given you a homework in the yesterday's class. Now, first of all, we will be starting with the homework of yesterday's session. And this was the homework that was given in the previous class. Good evening, Priya. So now, let's solve this question. In this, we are required to pass journal entries. In this question, we are required to pass journal entries. So now, we will pass journal entries. So read the question. Lotus Limited took over assets of 2,50,000 and liabilities of 30,000 of the gone by company. So Lotus Limited is acquiring the asset and liability of the gone by company. A very good evening, Krishna. Hi Krishna. Hi Ujjwal. So Lotus company is acquiring the asset and liability of gone by purchase consideration of 3,30,000. For the purchase consideration of 3,30,000. Hi Riddhi, a very good evening. Hello Garima. So first of all, we will pass the entry sundry assets account debit. Account debit to sundry liabilities to gone by company. When you will purchase the assets and liability. Just a minute. So, when you will purchase the asset and liability, the journal entry will be sundry assets account debit to sundry liabilities to vendor. You will credit the gone by company. to gone by company. So you are purchasing assets of 2,50,000. You are purchasing liability of 30,000, and you are purchasing it for 3,30,000. Purchase consideration is 3,30,000. Please read this question. I'll be back in a minute. I have to check out what's the issue. Give me 30 seconds, guys. Now it will be okay. Now the buffering will stop. So, the question was, you are purchasing the asset and liability of gone by company. So the journal entry will be sundry assets debit to sundry liability to gone by company. Now, you will compare the debit side with the credit side. You will compare the debit side with the credit side. Debit side total is 2,50,000 and credit side total is 3,30,000. So, the balancing figure will be goodwill. The balancing figure will be goodwill 1,10,000. The balancing figure will be goodwill 1,10,000. And then we will issue debentures to gone by company. Debentures are issued at ₹100 at premium of 10%. You are issuing debentures in return at 10% premium. So the second journal entry will be gone by company account debit to percentage debentures account to securities premium account. You will debit gone by company by 3,30,000. You will debit the gone by company by the amount of purchase consideration, that is 3,30,000. Then we will calculate number of debentures to be issued. Then we will calculate number of debentures to be issued. How we will calculate it? You will divide the purchase consideration 3,30,000 by the issue price. Issue price is 110. 100 nominal value, 10 rupees premium. So issue price is 110. So 3,30,000 divided by 110, it will be 3,000 debentures. It will be 3,000 debentures. So in percentage debentures, you will write down 3,000 debentures multiplied by face value 100. In premium, you will write down 3,000 debentures multiplied by 10 premium. So this will be the journal entry gone by company account debit 3,30,000. 2 percentage debentures 3 lakh, 2 securities premium 30,000. Anit, it will be completed in last 2 days. Your syllabus will be completed in the next 2 days. This is the last chapter of your syllabus and only 2 topics are left from this chapter. So this was your homework, guys. This was given to you as homework in the previous session. Now coming on to the today's session, that is oversubscription of debentures. What do you mean by oversubscription of debentures? So, sometimes the applications received, sometimes what happens, the application received in response of the prospectus are more than the number of debentures offered. We have issued 50,000 debentures. we have issued 50,000 debentures. But applications were received for 80,000 debentures. But applications were received for 80,000 debentures. So application received are more than the debentures offered. Application received are more than debentures issued, and this is known as oversubscription. This is termed as oversubscription. Hi Veena. So when the applications received are more than the number of debentures issued, such situation is called as oversubscription. Now, generally the excess application money on over applied debenture is returned. Generally, the excess money is refunded, is returned. Or in case applicants have been allotted lesser number of debenture than they applied for. If it is the case of pro rata allotment, less number of debentures are issued to them than they applied for, then the application money is adjusted towards the allotment and subsequent call as per the decision of board of director. So, the excess money may be refunded or it may be adjusted towards the allotment and first call as per the decision of boards of director. So, this is similar as shares. In shares also, we have to refund the excess money or we have to adjust it further in the allotment or first call. Now, what will be the accounting entries? So, entries will be same. Entries will be same as issue of shares, as we have passed in the chapter issue of shares. The only change is replace the word share with debenture. Replace the word share with the debenture and the share capital with percentage debentures. So you will replace the word share with the debenture and you will also replace the word share capital with the percentage debentures. So accounting entries will be same in the case of oversubscription of shares and oversubscription of debentures. The only change will be these. Now, if the excess application money is refunded, the following entry will be passed. If you are refunding the money, then the journal entry will be debenture application account debit to bank account. If you are refunding the money, the journal entry will be debenture application account debit to bank account. And if the excess application money is transferred to debenture allotment and calls account, if you are adjusting the application money in the allotment, the journal entry will be debenture application account debit to debenture allotment to debenture calls. Debenture application debit to debenture allotment to debenture calls. So this will be the journal entry when the excess amount at the time of application is adjusted towards allotment or call. Now we will do some examples so that we can understand the topic oversubscription of debentures in a better manner. तो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन करेंगे ताकि हमें ये अच्छे से समझ आ जाए. तो चलिए चलते हैं प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस की तरफ. एंड दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाई अपग्रेड योर स्किल. This is your first question. Vijay Lakshmi Limited invited applications for issuing 10,000 12% debentures. Vijay Lakshmi invited application for issuing 10,000 debentures. How many debentures are issued? 10,000 debentures. Hi Anita. And these debentures are of face value 100 and they are issued at a premium of 70 per debenture. These are issued at a premium of 70 per debenture. So you are issuing the debenture at 170. You have issued the debenture at 170. 100 is nominal value, 70 is premium. The full amount was payable on application. The full amount was payable on application. Applications were received for 13,500 debentures. Applications were received for 13,500 debentures. Now, the applications for 3,500 debentures were rejected. We have rejected the application for 3,500 and the application money was also refunded. The application money was also refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining application. So, the total applications received are 13,500. The total application received are 13,500, out of which debentures are issued to only 10,000 applicants. Out of which debentures are only issued to 10,000 applicants and remaining applications are rejected. Remaining applications are rejected and their money also will be refunded. Their money will also be refunded. Hi Prem, a very good evening. So, on 3,500 shares, you will refund 170 rupees. On 3,500 shares, you will refund the 170 rupees and you will credit this bank account. You will credit the bank account. And share and debentures were allotted to 10,000 applicants. So total applications received are 13,500, out of which debentures are issued only to 10,000. Remaining applicants 3,500 are rejected. So now the first journal entry will be bank account debit 2% debenture application and allotment account. You will write down application and allotment account, write it together because the whole amount is received on application. So always remember this. This is a note that whenever in the debentures the whole amount is received on application, जब भी डिबेंचर्स में पूरा पैसा एप्लीकेशन पे मिलता है तब आप ये साथ में लिखोगे. You will write this together, 2% debenture, application and allotment account. So, what is the amount received on application? What is the amount received on application? Total application received are 13,500. Total application received are 13,500 and total amount is 170. total amount is 170. So 13,500 multiplied by 170, bank account debit to percentage debenture application and allotment account. Second journal entry will be percentage debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures to securities premium reserve to bank account. When you will debit percentage debenture application and allotment account, you will write the same amount as you have written in the first entry. The amount received at the time of application. Then you will credit percentage debentures and you will write the amount due. You will write the amount due in percentage debentures. So the application received, the application accepted at 10,000. The debentures are issued to 10,000 applicants. So you will multiply 10,000, not 13,500. So multiply 10,000 with the face value. In percentage debentures, you will multiply 10,000 with the face value 100. In securities premium, you will multiply 10,000 issued number of debentures with the amount of premium. Amount of premium is 70. And in bank, you will refund the amount of rejected debentures. You will refund the amount of 3,500 debentures that were rejected. So 3,500 debentures were rejected. So we will refund their full amount 170. We will refund their full amount 170. So this is oversubscription and this is your journal entry. Bank to debenture application and allotment account. Debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures to securities premium reserve to bank. Hi Mamta. Now coming on to the next question, but before that, tell me, is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Yes or no? Easy, Janvi. Yes, Anshul. What about others? Okay, now we come. Do you want more questions of debentures? Do you want to solve more questions? Do you guys want more questions? Yes or no? Yes, Janvi. Yes, Anshul. So if you guys want more question, then you can take Pro Subscription that is available with all these benefits that I have already explained to you. And right now, this Pro Subscription is available at flat 20% discount. The actual price is 3,499 for 1 month. But after discount, you will only have to pay 2,799 for 1 month, which is half of your school fees. So, what are you waiting for? Go and grab your Pro Subscription right now at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO. And I would love to teach you all on Pro Subscription. Now coming on to the next question. Now this is your next question for oversubscription. The question is, Narayan Lakshmi Limited invited applications for issuing 7,500 12% debenture. How many debentures are issued? 7,500. They are issued at 100. The face value is 100 and they are issued at a premium of 35 rupees per debenture. So debentures are issued at 35 rupees premium. It means 135 is the issue price. The issue price is 135. The full amount was payable on application. The full amount was payable on application. Applications were received for 10,000 debentures. Applications were received for 10,000 debenture, but we have only issued 7,500. We have issued only 7,500. So, applications for 2,500. Applications for 2,500 were rejected. Applications for 2,500 were rejected and the application money was refunded. Application money was refunded. नहीं यूजुअल क्लास ओवर नहीं हुआ बच्चा अभी. So, debentures were allotted to the remaining applicant. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction. We have to pass the necessary journal entry. So this is going to be very simple because it is same as the previous one. First of all, you will receive application money. Bank account debit to percentage debenture application and allotment account. First of all, we will receive application money. The total application received were 10,000 and the issue price is 135. So 13,50,000 bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 10,000 debenture multiplied by 135, 13,50,000. Then the next journal entry will be percentage debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debentures to securities premium reserve to bank account. So you will debit debenture application and allotment with the total amount 13,50,000. Now, how many debentures were issued? 7,500. How many debentures were issued? 7,500. So, in percentage debentures, you will multiply 7,500 debentures were issued. So, in percentage debentures, you will multiply 7,500 with the face value 100 rupees. In securities premium reserve, you will multiply 7,500 with the amount of premium 35 rupees. And in bank, you will write down the amount that is refunded to 2,500 debentures. 2,500 applicants were rejected and their amount will be refunded. So full amount 135 is refunded to 2,500 applicants. So this is your answer. Bank account debit to percentage debentures application and allotment account 13,50,000, 13,50,000. And next, debenture application and allotment debit to percentage debenture to securities premium reserve to bank account. 13,50,000, then 7,50,000, 2,62,500 and 3,37,500. This is the another question of oversubscription of debentures. Now tell me, Janvi, Anchal, Shalu, Ujjwal, is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to you guys? Yes, Shalu. Yes, Priya. Yes, Ujjwal. Yes, Chanvi. So this session is completed now. We have completed the another session, issue of debenture. Sorry, we have completed the session oversubscription of debentures. So we have completed oversubscription of debentures. Now, tomorrow at 6 p.m. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. we will be discussing the topic issue of debentures with terms of redemption. So tomorrow we will be doing this topic, which is very important. So now it's your homework time, and this question is your homework. This question is your homework. So please try to solve this question. We will be discussing this in the next session tomorrow. On Monday, we will be discussing this. So if you guys are new to our channel, Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more such classes. Also, don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. Also, you guys can join the official Telegram group if you want to receive all these notes in the PDF form. And go and join the Vedantu Commerce official Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Now, see you all in the next class tomorrow at 6 p.m. Monday at 6 p.m. See you all on Monday at 6 p.m. with another topic. Thank you everyone for watching this session. If you enjoyed this session, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you all in the next class. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams, and take care. Bye-bye everyone. See you all in next session.